received a complaint on 9th of December regarding a child marriage case. On 9th of December, we received this email from a complainant who did not want to reveal his identity, stating the details of the so-called girl who is being married to an older guy who, according to them, was a drug addict and an alcoholic. The marriage was scheduled for 12th. Yeah, 12th, that is today. So we had really short span of time, like 2 days for us to just take prompt action for the same. So on the very next day or the same
On the day we received the complaint, we went to the Vasant Vihar police station and we gave them an application stating that there is a case happening in an area which is under their jurisdiction, as in the police station's jurisdiction. And so they entertained the complaint. They asked us. They accepted the letter that we gave them, and they said that they allotted us a investigating officer, which was some senior inspector, which I would refrain from naming him. And so then they assured us that they would take some action in the case. But then the immediate next morning when we went to the police station to follow up on the case, the SI who was given the case wasn't there in the station. He was out of station. He'd gone to some place in Uttar Pradesh for some other case, and the SHO said that this was something for which the CWC needs to come into the picture, and also the information that we had provided in the complaint that we gave them was not sufficient enough. The numbers that we gave them weren't working; they were not functional, and yeah, so they must have tried contacting the two numbers that we gave them, and they weren't working. So then they were like, we cannot help in this regard. We need some more information to be able to go and search for the family. So then we, as a team, decided that we knew the general area where they reside. So we went to the Basti. It's called Bhabar Singh Camp, which is right behind the posh D block of Vasant Vihar, and we just randomly started searching for the family. We knew the name of the girl who was to be married and the mother of the girl. So it took us about 1.5 2 hours to trace them. In fact, we did not trace them. We traced first the groom's side, and through them we were able to get to the girl's family. And when we went there, we saw that the girl was actually, as mentioned in the email that we received, she was not more than 13 14 years of age. In fact, the boy who was getting married was also not more than 18 years. So both the couple which was to get married were both minors. And then we informed the police that we have some more information about the case. And following that
short interaction with the girl revealed that she was doing it just out of compulsion and not out of her own choice or will, because I think her dad was unemployed and was an alcoholic too. So her mother had no other option. She wanted to waiver off her as a responsibility on her so that she can just take care of another girl child she had with her. So that is why probably she was getting her married. So, and she was herself unhealthy, basically ill. So she couldn't take care of both the daughters, being working simultaneously. She was the only working member in the family. So yeah.
Then we as a team sat down in the office and decided what next is to be done, because now we knew exact information about the family of the girl as well as of the groom. And then we wrote to all top authorities that we could think of: the Lieutenant Governor, the Commissioner of Police Delhi, the SHO of the Vasant Vihar Police Station, whosoever we thought were in important capacities. We sent them an email. Also, we couriered them letters informing them about the case. And at 11:30 in the night, we got a call from the ACP of the Vasant Vihar subdivision that the girl has been rescued by the CWC Lajpat Nagar team, and that she was in safe hands and in the custody of the CWC basically. But we really appreciate the fact that somebody who's like a regular citizen of the country reported this case to us. But the attitude of the police was not satisfactory. The investigation that the CSR team did What we did was actually what their work is.
Yeah.
We reported a case to them. They were sitting there taking the case very lightly, not doing anything about it unless until unless we went to them with more details about the case. So what the role of the police here was to help us investigate or be helping them investigate, whereas the entire investigation was done by the CSR team and not the police.
Do they-
But also it is very appreciable that the following evening when we gave them the information, the required information, they did act promptly. They sent their their people there in civil uniform is what we've been told, and that's how the entire rescue happened. She's not yet back. She's with the CWC. She'll be there for another 2-3 days is what we've been told. But what lies in front of us is the rehabilitation of the girl.
The real challenge.
We will now try and find out if there is any gender resource center which is close to their basti where she can go and learn some trade, beauty culture, computer literacy, stitching, etc. And if we can put her into a government school or any private school that accepts people from the weaker section of the society.